Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I tell you 15 daily English sentences about computer with Urdu translation, so listen to me carefully. Number 1, I am using the computer right now. Number 2, I am working on my computer. Number 3, I am busy on the computer at the moment. Number 4, I am currently on the computer. Number 5, I am on my computer. Number 6, I am at the computer. Number 7, I am doing something on the computer. Number 8, I am in front of my computer. Number 9, I am typing on the computer. Number 10, I am browsing on the computer. Number 11, I am checking emails on the computer. Number 12, I am watching a video on the computer. Number 13, I am having a meeting on the computer. Number 14, I am attending an online class right now. Number 15, I am searching something online.